Okay, pro tip. If you pull the lever to pop the hood open and the hood does not pop up like this, it stays down and sometimes doesn't even unlatch at all, go ahead and get some help to get someone to open it up. Open it up and look on each side, right here and over here. Under the hood, look for these little bumpers. There's 4 of them on this car. Well, one's missing. Ah, there it is. Here and over here. Go ahead and turn these counterclockwise. A few turns each. You can see they're actually spiral threaded and they thread out quite a ways. What they are is little bumpers for the hood. So when the hood comes down, it rests on these, and you pull them out, and they'll act as little springs to push the bumper up. So now, when we go and pull the latch, the hood pops right up like it's supposed to. Thanks for watching.